Welcome everybody, Travel About. We're in San Antonio, Texas today. We've just left the Alamo and we're heading down to the famous Riverwalk, which I'm not quite sure what it is, but I think it's a river with shops and buildings on both sides. And we're potentially going to be able to take a boat ride as well. Join me. So, we're heading down to the Riverwalk, and this is part of a hotel, I believe. Nice waterfall. Well, that is pretty cool. Pretty cool fountains, waterfalls going here. It's really loud. I hope you can hear me. And we got one more level to go down, and then I think we'll be paralleling the river. And right now we're just kind of in between. I don't know, right in the middle of all these buildings. Looks like a parking garage and shops and a hotel. And we're actually going to walk under the Hyatt Regency, if you can believe that. We're going to go right underneath of it. The river runs through the Hyatt. Oh, look at that mosaic. It's all tile work, individual pieces of tile. That's something there. Hyatt's not to sponsor me or anything. We just happen to be walking through, and I am incredibly impressed. I would stay here. I said I would stay here. This place is crazy. We're like at a shopping center and inside the Hyatt Regency, with waterfalls and ponds and rivers and bridges. It's amazing.
Now you're on the Riverwalk.
And that is the actual river. And I'm sure my viewers want to know, what river is this?
What river is this, man?
Nobody knows.
What river is this?
We don't know what river this
You know
is.
what river this is?
It is a river, right? Well, we'll get that information for you shortly. So if all goes well, after we eat, we're going to try to get on one of these boats right here and take a little river tour. And whenever it gets a little darker like that, we're walking under some overpasses up above, girdering. Some of this is part of the hotel system and other stores. And I hope this is coming out good for everyone. This is pretty impressive. This probably goes for a long ways too. I don't know how long this Riverwalk is. And it's on both sides. So you can like walk forever down this side and then go over there and come back up. There's the old Rainforest Cafe. We see these a lot. It's like a chain. They're pretty good. We're not going to eat there today. Well, apparently we're going over a staircase here. Here comes a boat. I just made all those people famous. Oh, lots of ducks over here. I guess at the restaurant, so people are feeding the ducks. We're after lobster empanadas. I'm not sure where we're going, but we're heading for lobster empanadas.
Boudreaux's. We'll just go here.
Well, we failed on our empanada hunt. Case. Leslie back there somewhere. Alright, we finally settled on a restaurant. We are at the Rio Fresh Tex-Mex. And they brought us out some homemade salsa, lots of lime, cilantro. It's really, really good. And I'll be ordering the street tacos. El Pastor. It's pork. And it's topped with onions and lime wedges, and get refried beans and rice. And they're street tacos, so they're going to be, I'm understanding they're going to be a small taco. But there's 3 of them. All right, their fresh homemade guacamole has arrived. Not complimentary.
No.
And have no idea how much it costs. Just ordered it.
Wow,
well.
that guac.
All right, I want to get a tomato in this bite. There we go. Look at that. Oh, I got cilantro and everything in that bite. All right, guys, here we go. Homemade guacamole, fresh guacamole. Here we go. That is amazing. I don't eat a lot of Mexican or guacamole, but I'm going to say that's probably the best I've ever had in my life. Rio. Outstanding. That's for 4 of us, and we got a lot of food.
Me okay?
Yeah.
How's everybody doing?
Great.
I said, how's everybody doing? Good. Welcome to San Antonio. Welcome to the beautiful Riverwalk. My name is Sai. I'm going to be your captain for the next 30 minutes.
Hope you enjoyed the Riverwalk boat tour. We're on our way out now. We're gonna head back to the car. Not sure where we're going next. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Share the video if you can. I want to thank everybody for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Travel about.